Magandang hapon po sa natin, Alexander Lexter Jules. Kung katatapos lang ng Roha ng pa-red carpet para sa kanilang premiere ng Roha, ay meron din pong red carpet premiere bukas, November 11, alas 6 ng gabi po sa SM Mega Mall, ang Meet, Greet, and Buy. Congratulations daw to you, Bel Mariano, the Facundo family, Miss Maricel Soriano, Piolo Pascual, Joshua Garcia, and GK Labajo po, mga kaibigan. Too scared to overshare, but who would say that she's not worth supporting? Won't get tired of saying na she's literally saving me. I love you always, Bel Mariano. Yan ang sabi ng isang say or satisfying account sa Twitter, mga kaibigan, saying deserve ni Bel Mariano na maging idol niya kasi nga po worth it daw po at napaka-inspirational daw po ang ginagawa ng isang Bel Mariano, kung kaya siguro na-achieve niya ang gusto niya ring ma-achieve sa buhay. Let's watch this. Ayan. Yan po ay video kuha po ng Juicy Cologne Time to Shine, kasama si Bel Mariano sa Kamay Nilaan from Cebu to Iloilo. And so ginawa po ang light shine ng Juicy Cologne kasama si Bel Mariano, Ashley Ortega at Nikki po, mga kaibigan. Ang ganda, araw na araw lang tayo binibiyayaan. Nakabulol na ako dito. Ang ganda, araw-araw na lang tayo binibiyayaan ng kagandahan ni Bel Mariano. Ano kaya ang event ni Bel Mariano in this look, mga kaibigan, na ipinost ni Claire? Sabi dito, this fun edits of the facts, 10 out of 10, walang left out, lahat baliw. Ayan po. Going back to that video na tanging si Belinda daw po ang may pakana ng TikTok na yaon. One day away from the big night, our love Bel Mariano. Ayan po, with stockings na black and white dress. Ano kaya ang pa-event ni Bel Mariano with this look, mga kaibigan? Why would I listen to the noise? My smart, eloquent, and awesome girl never fails to teach me my life lessons. So be like Bel. Don't waste your time on nonsense things. Watch the full video.
Doon, pero bashing. These people who hide behind unknown accounts, they're just wasting their time on you. I know it's easier said than done, pero don't mind the noise. You know, you have people in your life that matter, and these voices don't matter, so don't listen to them. Bakit ko pagtutuunan ng oras sa mga bagay na hindi naman nakakatulong sa akin, di ba? Or hindi naman ikabubuti. Hindi ko ikabubuti. So, yun nga po, mas madaling sabihin kaysa sa gawin. Pero, as long as you know who you are, and as long as you have people who love you, as long as I'm with my family, why would I listen to what noise?
Ayun, hindi daw ine-entertain ng isang Bel Mariano ang bashing. So, sa mga Don Bel fans, gayahin natin si Bel Mariano para iwas gulo, iwas away, at syempre, concentrate lang tayo sa positive side of the world. If ever may kapamilya stars or from Meet, Greet, and Buy cast, sino yung gusto mong makasama mag-dive? Papa P, si Belinda, she's a live wire. She's full of energy. She's a trooper kahit saan mo dalhin. Okay siya. Wow! Let's go watch
Meet, Greet, and Buy. Ever may kapamilya star or from Meet, Greet, and Buy cast, sino yung gusto mong makasama mag-dive?
Si Belinda. Si Bel kasi, she's a live wire. You know, she's full of energy and she's a trooper. Kahit sa modalin, okay siya.
For sure mag-e-enjoy si Bel kapag na-try niya mag-dive.
Yes, mag-e-enjoy talaga yan.
Ever make
So yan po, si Bel daw ang gusto niyang isama pag siya ay magda-dive kasi nga trooper daw po, mga kaibigan. Pero ano ka dyan? Jel is saying tomorrow's the day premiere night for The Facts. We're so excited to meet you, Gary Ann. Praying for clear skies and